Hello everyone, welcome to Real English Fluency. Today we will talk about how to change your life in 2026. Many people want to change their life, but they do not know where to start. They feel confused or tired. This is very normal. You are not alone. The year 2026 is a new chance. You do not need to change everything. You do not need to be perfect. Small steps are enough. One small step every day can make a big difference. In this video, we will talk about 6 important areas of life. These ideas are simple and useful. Anyone can use them. Let us learn together and start a better life in 2026. Change your mindset. Your mindset is the way you think about yourself and your life. It is very important because the way you think decides the way you live. If you think in a negative way, your life often feels hard and heavy. If you think in a positive way, your life can feel lighter even when problems come. Changing your life in 2026 should start with changing your mindset. Many people have negative self-talk every day. They say things like, "I am not good enough," or "I cannot do this." These words may sound small, but they are very powerful. When you say them again and again, you start to believe them. This kind of mindset can stop you from trying new things and from improving yourself. To change your mindset, the first step is to stop negative self-talk. When you hear a negative voice in your head, try to pause. Do not fight it. Just notice it, then change the words. Instead of saying, "I cannot," try to say, "I am learning." This small change is very important. "I am learning" means you believe you can improve with time. Making mistakes is also part of a healthy mindset. Many people are afraid of mistakes. They think mistakes mean failure, but this is not true. A mistake is only a sign that you are learning something new. Every skill, every habit, and every success comes with mistakes first. If you accept mistakes, you will feel less afraid and more confident. A positive mindset does not mean your life will always be easy. It means you believe you can handle problems and learn from them. You understand that change takes time. You do not need to improve everything in one day. You just need to improve a little more than yesterday. This way of thinking helps you build better habits. Another important part of mindset is thinking long-term. Many people only think about today. They choose what is easy now, not what is good for their future. But real change comes from small actions that help your future self. When you think about the future, your choices become clearer and stronger. In 2026, try to build a mindset that helps you grow. Believe that you can change. Believe that you can improve. With the right mindset, every small step becomes meaningful, and your life can slowly move in a better direction. Build better daily habits. Big changes in life do not come from one big action. They come from small habits that you do every day. Your daily habits shape your life slowly, even when you do not notice it. If you change your habits, you can change your life in a natural and healthy way. Morning habits are very important because they set the tone for your day. Waking up a little earlier can help you feel more calm and in control. You do not need to wake up very early. Even 10 or 15 minutes can make a difference. Try not to check your phone first. When you start your day with your phone, your mind becomes busy too fast. Instead of using your phone, you can do something simple. You can stretch your body, drink some water, or take a deep breath. These small actions help your body wake up gently. They also help your mind feel clear and ready for the day. A good morning habit can give you energy for many hours. Evening habits are just as important as morning habits. The way you end your day affects the way you sleep. Going to bed at a regular time helps your body rest better. Before sleeping, try to slow down your mind. You can turn off bright lights and stop using your phone for a while. Reflection is a simple but powerful evening habit. You can think about your day and ask yourself simple questions. What went well today? What can I improve tomorrow? This helps you learn from your day without judging yourself. It also helps you feel more peaceful before sleep. Many people make big plans but do not follow them. One good habit is better than many plans that you never use. When a habit is small, it is easier to keep. You do not need to change everything at once. Just choose one habit and focus on it. Consistency is more important than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. Even on days when you feel tired, doing a small habit still matters. You can read for 10 minutes, walk for 15 minutes, or plan tomorrow in 5 minutes. These small habits may look simple, but over time they can change your future in a strong and positive way. Learn one useful skill. In 2026, you do not need to learn many things at the same time. Learning too many skills can make you tired and confused. One useful skill is enough to start changing your life. When you focus on one skill, you can learn better and feel more confident. Learning a skill can change your life in many ways. First, a skill gives you confidence. When you know you can do something well, you believe in yourself more. Second, a skill can help you get better work or better income. It can also bring new chances that you did not have before. Skills are often more important than luck because skills stay with you. There are many useful skills you can learn. Digital skills are very important today. You can learn basic computer skills or how to use online tools. Communication skills are also useful in daily life and at work. Learning how to speak clearly and listen well can improve your relationships. Problem-solving skills help you handle difficult situations calmly. Time management skills help you use your time in a better way. Choosing the right skill is important. You do not need a perfect skill. You need a useful one. Choose something that can help you in your daily life or your work. Do not choose 5 skills at the same time. Choose one skill and focus on it. Ask yourself a simple question. Can this skill help me now or in the future? Learning a skill does not have to be hard. You can learn step by step. Learn a little every day, even 10 or 15 minutes. You can use free resources like videos, articles, or simple online lessons. Do not only watch or read. Practice is more important than watching. When you practice, you really learn. Making mistakes is part of learning any skill. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new. When you make a mistake, you learn how to improve next time. This helps you grow faster and feel less stress. For example, someone learns basic computer skills to work better. Someone learns how to speak more clearly at work to feel more confident. Someone learns a simple online skill at home to earn extra money. One small skill can open a new door. In 2026, choose one useful skill and start today. Take care of your body and mind. When you want to change your life, your health is very important. Your body and your mind are the base of every change. If you feel tired all the time, it is hard to build good habits or learn new skills. Taking care of yourself is not a waste of time. It is a smart and kind choice. Sleep is more important than many people think. When you do not sleep well, your body feels weak and your mind feels slow. You may feel angry, sad, or stressed more easily. Good sleep helps your brain work better and helps your body recover. Try to sleep at the same time every day. Even small changes in sleep can make a big difference. Food is also part of taking care of your body. You do not need a strict diet. Simple food choices are enough. Try to eat regular meals and drink enough water. When you eat better, you have more energy during the day. This helps you focus and feel more balanced. Exercise does not have to be hard or long. Light exercise is enough to help your body and mind. You can walk, stretch, or move your body gently. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day can improve your mood. Exercise helps reduce stress and gives you more energy. You do not need to be perfect. Just keep moving in a simple way. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Many people feel stressed or burned out, but they do not talk about it. They think resting means being lazy. This is not true. Rest is a need, not a weakness. When you rest, your mind has time to calm down and recover. You can take care of your mind in simple ways. You can take short breaks, breathe deeply, or enjoy quiet moments. You can also stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone has a different path and a different speed. Be kind to yourself. In 2026, try to listen to your body and your mind. Take small steps to care for your health. When your body feels stronger and your mind feels calmer, changing your life becomes much easier and more natural. Change your environment. Your environment is everything around you. It includes your room, your phone, the people you meet, and the content you watch every day. Many people try to change their life, but they forget about their environment. This is a big mistake because your environment has a strong effect on your behavior. A clean space helps create a clear mind. When your room or desk is messy, your mind often feels messy too. You may feel tired or lose focus more easily. You do not need a perfect space. You only need a clean and simple one. Try to clean a small area first, like your desk or your bed. Small changes can bring calm and clarity. Your phone is also part of your environment. Social media can be useful, but too much of it can steal your time and energy. When you spend many hours on social media, your mind becomes busy and tired. Try to reduce your social media time. You can turn off notifications or set a simple time limit. This helps you focus on what really matters. The people you listen to also shape your thinking. If you're always around negative people, you may start to think in a negative way. If you listen to positive and supportive people, you feel more motivated. Choose carefully who you listen to, both in real life and online. The words you hear every day slowly become your own thoughts. The content you watch and read is another part of your environment. News, videos, and posts can affect your mood. Too much negative content can make you feel worried or stressed. Try to choose content that teaches you something or makes you feel calm. You do not need to follow everything. It is okay to step back. Your environment can push you forward or pull you back. When your environment supports your goals, change becomes easier. You do not need to change everything at once. Just change one small part of your environment. In 2026, build an environment that helps you grow and move toward a better life. Take action and stay consistent. Many people have good ideas and strong dreams, but they do not take action. Without action, nothing really changes. Thinking and planning are important, but action is what moves your life forward. If you want 2026 to be different, you must start doing something, even if it is very small. Starting small is the best way to begin. You do not need big goals or big plans. Small actions are easier to start and easier to keep. You can start with 5 minutes of reading, 10 minutes of practice, or one simple habit. Starting today is more important than starting perfectly. Every small action counts. Many people wait for the perfect time. They wait until they feel ready, confident, or free. But the perfect time does not exist. There will always be problems, stress, or fear. If you wait too long, you may never start. The best time to act is now with what you have. Staying consistent is more important than doing things perfectly. You do not need to do your best every day. Some days will be easy and some days will be hard. What matters is that you do not stop. Even a small action on a hard day is better than doing nothing. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to see that you're moving forward. You can write down what you do each day or check off a simple list. When you see your progress, you feel more confident and prouder of yourself. Remember, change takes time. Be patient with yourself. Do not compare your journey with others. Everyone moves at a different speed. In 2026, your life can be different if you decide now. Take action, stay consistent, and trust the process. Small steps today can lead to big changes in the future.